let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment. And today we are going to talk about your own Dineo Moloisane, right? Dineo Moloisane, guys, has had a view of 75.2k, right, on one of her statuses. And Ugirl decided to use this as an advertising platform and say, numbers don't lie. Pay your coins ready. We doing business ads tomorrow for only 500 rands. E-wallet or cash sent on this number and send proof of payment on the same number as well as your business page or poster. You can also DM me, right? And she continues to say that's the correct number. Girl is advertising herself for whatever business, right? Are boso ke nna ka mo le ka seboe le ge le ka etsa tag team mpya ke nna ka mo lefatsheng la Instagram. So she is the main thing on Instagram, direct translation. Then Ugo continues to show us that when she goes live, she gets 5.2k views, right? And she says 15.2k one man. Yo Sesotho saka ka matcha ka emisa lefatshe la ka la Instagram, meaning ukuthi without her there's no Instagram, right? And are on her other post ka kwala ka 21 point, it means that was her opening, the first views, and then now this time she closed with 21.9k. Are ka kwala ka 21.9k, one man, like bona, one man, no assistance, right? People looking at the dirty table, listening to me na mongwa Instagram ke gama kamo ke dia seo se ke se ratago. And then she continued to say, on the 4th of May 2024, luncheon with King Dineo Moloisane, save the date. And Ugo put a location and date, right? And said, you will realize the importance of one rand after losing it. That's one of the topics on my luncheon. Learn to say no. Khana ka wena is one of the topics on my luncheon. Forgiveness, also one of the topics on my luncheon. Learn to take it all out. It helps. One of the topics on her luncheon. Ignoring negative energy is also part of the topics on her luncheon. To those who are lost, Mosete is Yvonne's surname. That's her other number. It's IBM and Mosete, right? You cheated. Overcoming cheating is one of the topics on the luncheon. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how to deal with a narcissist. How to deal with a narcissist is one of the topics on the luncheon. These days everybody's called a narcissist, though. We move on. When they cry for forgiveness, you forgive them your peace, but we move. This is the boyfriend, right? Because she recently broke with her bae and she's showing us she is moving. Choosing peace over disrespect is one of the topics of my luncheon. Also, bringing bad energy in your home or introducing your kids to bad energy is sickening. Kids read and feel bad energy fast. Protecting your energy is one of the topics on the luncheon. Be careful who you allow in your space, also one of the topics in the luncheon. Ugo continued to show us that the topics that she had with people begging her, telling her that they love her so much. This is the son, I think, to the man that she is dumping, right? Then she continued to say, when is it the right time to introduce your kids to your partner is part of the topic on the luncheon. Overcoming temptation of weakness is part of the topic. Then she's showing how when the guy is begging her and telling her how he booked a trip for them to go somewhere, and then going there because the luncheon siyahamba. Then Go wrote, When is it the right time to say goodbye is one of the topics of the luncheon. Now, on this one, she was playing a song that we gotta keep this family. So her followers found it weird. Why that song if you're destroying these pictures? But then she says, then you remove pictures everywhere, delete, cut, tear, and burn them is also one of the topic in the luncheon. Then she showed pictures of her telling Ukai hore, "Aborgwa." Taking the first big step is one of the topics on her luncheon. Whatever you have to send back, make sure you Uber it. When you meet with a narcissist, o kamakala ole Seychelles or whatever. Okay, I think this is a name of a particular country that I cannot pronounce. How to avoid contact or meet with a narcissist is part of the topic on the lunch on. And then she says tickets will be sold at 1,000 rands. I am definitely not the target market. Tickets will be sold at 1,000 rand per person. Limited seats available. The lesser we are, the better. I want us to connect with each other on the 4th of May. 1,000 rand includes food, welcome drinks, and goodie bag. Might add some giveaways, Nyana. Let me plan see you on the 4th of May. She says, Batung, I'm getting 1,000 rand e-wallet from the luncheon, guys. I haven't taken out the poster yet. Your pressure, so people are already starting to pay without even seeing the poster. Round 2 tonight. One thing about me, I deal with receipts, right? So round 2 of the videos that trend, she will show us tonight. And she said, let's advertise. We'll continue with this later. Don't forget to send 500 on this number as well as proof of payment and your business page or poster on the above number or DM me. So while you get back to her channel at 10 o'clock to watch all the gossip, make sure that you pay 500 rand to advertise and 1,000 for the lunch.